वैसे पैसा तो हाथ का मैल है, बैंक में पड़ा पड़ा सड़ जाएगा, इससे बेटर है थोड़ी शॉपिंग कर लेते हैं. So if you are interested in knowing all things that are going to make your life easy and are a definite every girl must have, then please keep on watching. Let's go with number one on the list. I have is a makeup remover. Now everybody and our mothers have already spoken about the Garnier micellar water or even the simple micellar water. There are just so many out there, and at this point I'm just genuinely bored of those micellar waters. Like I love what they do, but they're just so good at their job, and I am not able to complain about how good they are at their job, that I'm bored. Honestly, at this point, I am the red flag. So yeah, I just wanted to go in the market and explore and find me a good micellar water that is also affordable, does the job just like the Garnier micellar water, that I am bored because it's too good for me. So yeah, I got myself this baby right here from the house of Lactocalamine, and it is their aloe vera with green tea micellar water. Now obviously I have commitment issues, so I went with the smaller bottle, and as you can see, I have used quite a lot of this product. First of all, I love the compact size of this, makes it very easy to travel with. I did travel with this as well, and also in terms of makeup removal, well, it does the job. It does the job just like the Garnier micellar water, but of course you get more quantity in that versus this. The best part is this is alcohol and paraben free, so it's really safe for your skin. And yeah, it's just that much good of a product. I mean, it gets rid of your waterproof mascara, your heavy bases, your everyday makeup, even your sunscreen, to say the least. So if you are in the market to explore, you should definitely give this baby a shot. Next up, oh my god, for the longest time in my life, I was convinced this is just a bougie and necessary product. Nobody really needs it. But now that I'm 25, with a little buck in my bank, I'm just going to go that extra mile and feel good about myself if I have to, if I need to, if I want to. Wow, this is going very offbeat. But yeah, I'm talking about an eye cream. Now yeah, definitely there are a lot of eye creams locally available. Personally, I feel with an eye cream, it's really a personal preference. I got this eye cream in my PR, and oh my god, I actually see the hype around it. And this is from the house of My Glam. First of all, look at the packaging. It is so gorgeous, like so gorgeous. Now this is their iridescent brightening eye cream with rosehip oil infused. I absolutely love this. Can you see the consistency and the fact that I have used so much of this? This is so good. It gives me that iridescent glow underneath my eyes. I honestly love to use this during my daytime when I have absolutely no makeup. I just like to use this. Gives me a beautiful glow underneath my eyes, and it definitely does hydrate my under eye as well. It performs very beautifully underneath makeup as well. My concealer does not crease whatsoever. It's very cooling, and it's very, I don't know, the consistency is just something different. It's not a gel but not a cream, just right in between of those two, which is perfect for my skin. Also with the rosehip oil, it's really great for your under eyes. Now I personally do not have under eye circles so far, but let's not jinx that baby, because with this year anything is possible. Well, next up is a product that honestly to god, if you weren't a loyal subscriber, I did not want to share this with you. But guess what, I'm a nicer person. Even though the world right now is not very nice to me, I am going to make that difference. Yes, by that I mean I'm going to show you this product that is revolutionary if you are into getting extensions or even gel polish, because if you are into any of those things, you know the removal process is not only extremely painful and daunting physically but also economically. I mean, really, I have to pay to go through that pain. Like, what the hell? But nonetheless, this baby right here is a game saver, game changer. It's just gaming. Wow. I'm really everywhere in this video. But baby, I'm talking to you about, ta-da! This is from the house of actually Amazon. There is no brand name. It's called Bolt B Magic Removal, and this is how the baby looks like. It's absolutely phenomenal. Wow. once more. It's absolutely phenomenal. Yes, got that right. But if you want to see how this performs, what exactly does it do, because like I told you, it will get rid of your extensions as well as your gel polish at home in 5 minutes. And I just realized I never mentioned all of those things before. So yeah, this baby right here does all of it that I just said. If you want to see this in action, I actually did a demo video wherein I'm testing this out with you guys live, and spoiler, it's awesome. So I'm gonna leave the link for this baby in that video, so you gotta watch that video, okay? I'm gonna leave a link in the description and up on the screen. You are welcome. So yeah, absolutely love this. Next up, let's talk about eyebrows. I feel I'm genuinely convinced that eyebrows are that one thing that will make or break a look, and now that I say it out loud, did I do my eyebrows today? I really didn't. Wow. Just, I mean, मुझे लगा मैं कब से अपने मेकअप को घूरे जा रही हूँ और I'm like, कुछ तो मिसिंग है क्या, मुझे पता नहीं, but just I'm sorry. The old Taylor can come to the phone right now. Why? Because she's really dead inside. So anywho, the product of the hour. This is my friend from the House of Essence. Is their Gimme Brow. I absolutely adore and love anything and everything that will make my eyebrow game instantly. And especially, I mean, yes, I enjoy, pomades are a task to use. Eyebrow powders are a task to use. I genuinely then definitely enjoy eyebrow pencils. However, a better alternative to even those pencils is this baby right here. Because ये pencil का भी काम करता है, ये brow gel का भी काम करता है, because you know it sets your eyebrows. At the same time, it has some pigment in it, तो आपके brows को वो fill in भी करता है. So it's like an all-in-one product. So I genuinely love me a good eyebrow mascara. I haven't found that many, very honestly. I know Maybelline also has one, but it's around I think 700-800 bucks, and I'm just like, really? That price? Like, really? So I think this is my second time using this Essence wala. It's always out of stock, so every time I spot this on Nykaa or on Amazon, I just get one. Alright, next up on the list I have for you is Tara She Needs. It's the brand name actually, but these are some collagen boosters. At the age of 25, I am really considerate about my mental health going down the drain, but my physical is also going down the drain, but I'm really not sure where this butt is going, but wow. I'm really trying to make myself a priority and really look out for myself, and I didn't know how difficult that was, but I am on the self-help journey, and I'm really trying to look out for my foods that I'm eating, the content that I'm consuming, and trying to be really mindful. And trust me, it is exhausting. Whoever makes it look easy, it is not. However, the first step to taking good care of my internal self and my body and my self is to start taking my supplements. I remember when I was taking my diets very seriously, obviously because you're in calorie deficit, there are a lot of things you kind of miss out from your real food, and you can always supplement it with your supplements. Now that is not the way to life, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. However, coming to these babies right here, these are some collagen boosters with biotin and vitamin C. I got this from Amazon. These are completely safe. They are great for hair growth. They're really good for your health. They're also good for your nails, which honestly, with all of the extensions and gel polishes that I keep doing more so frequent now, I can feel a difference after having these pills, that my nails are coming back to almost life. They're not there yet, but they're coming back to life. They're not breaking off as easily as they would otherwise. In terms of hair, I mean, yeah, it's not bad. With all of the stress and anxiety, it can be worse, and it is almost at the verge of it, but I think I'm helping myself with things like this to reverse and take control. So yeah, this is something I genuinely like to have empty stomach. Now they recommend to have 2 every day. It's a good day when I have 1. consequently in a week. So yeah, that's all I'm going to say. Yes, by all means, I am not a doctor, so please consult with your nutritionist or your doctor before taking any supplements whatsoever. Next up on the list is kinda a gimmicky product, but to me, I feel it genuinely makes a difference. But I am not sure how much I'll be able to convince you that it makes a difference, because I'm pretty much convinced that it makes a difference. And I'm talking to you about, ta-da! This is from the House of Streaks, and it's their Moisture Boost Spray for Hair that provides moisture protection and keeps hair hydrated. Now, as you can see, I've used quite a lot of this product now. In the first go, this is genuinely just a spray. It doesn't do much. But first of all, oh my god, I love the smell on this. I absolutely love the scent. So I am someone, I love to smell good like we all do, but I recently got myself into hair perfumes and things like that, because your normal perfume, yes, you can use it on your hair, but it's not recommended because of the alcohol quotient in it. So I actually went ahead and got a hair perfume, but ever since I've got this, first of all, I don't reach out to that hair perfume. I just love using this. The consistency on here, it is water with a little bit of serum in there. So I do feel every time I'm going out in the sun, it does, after I spray this, help to tame down the frizz. My hair doesn't get as frizzy or naughty. Wow, okay. At this point, I'm tired of retakes also. Let's just continue. It doesn't get tangled. Yes, that's the word. It doesn't get as tangly, and also it smells good, and I am convinced that the spray in here is potent with some serum, so it doesn't weigh down my hair. It makes my hair less frizzy, and for the price that I paid for this is paisa vasool. I am in love with this, and also चलो बाकी सब छोड़ दो, सब छोड़ दो, but इसका smell, oh my god, like the smell of this is just, it's just so sexy. It just makes me feel good, and just, I've come from a salon, so for all of those reasons, for all of those correct reasons, I will highly recommend you to get your hands on this. Just, that's all I'm going to say. And well, just like that, we have reached to the end of this video right here. Yes, I'm seeking therapy. Do not worry. I'm taken care of. With all of the dark humor and just everything that I abruptly spilled, I thought it was important to mention. But yeah, just kidding. I'm absolutely okay. This was super fun and chill. I kind of like having fun with you like this as well, instead of, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to, like, ये तो नहीं होता, मतलब होता है, but this is more fun. So yes, let me know what kind of videos, what kind of vibe, which Reena do you prefer, and I will consider to bring that show for you on this channel. But yes, thank you so much for watching today's video. I had super fun doing this, and yeah, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can meet me and my 9 other personalities throughout this channel. So definitely hit on the subscribe button and on the bell notification so that you're updated every single time me and my 9 others are online. With that being said, you can also follow me on my social media, the links for which are in the description. You can also follow me on my Snapchat. By the way, I'm kind of being very active on Snapchat, so definitely follow me on my Snapchat as well. And yes, I think that's a wrap. I will see you very soon. Until then, bye.